We are going to solve the practice set 3.1 of a maths first. Question number 1. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials and justify it. Means the given expression is a polynomial or not. First sub question y plus 1 upon y. Here this will be also written as y plus 1 upon y by using the index formula. 1 upon y is also written in a like this. Suppose here is no power, it is a 1. There is no index or power, it is 1. And reciprocal of is also written as y raised to minus. When y is taken on the above side, then it will be a y raised to minus 1. Means both are the same. So instead of 1 upon y, we are writing this minus 1, y raised to minus 1. What is the power of a first variable 1 and second variable minus 1? According to definition of a polynomial, the power of the given variable is 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, positive numbers and 0, but not a negative number. So here is the power is a minus 1. So it is a, according to definition of polynomial, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because power is a 1. Power is of a variable is a minus 1. 1 is also and minus. This is correct, but this is a minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. Then second, 2 minus 5 under root x. This is also written as 2 minus 5 under root x is written in the index form like this, x raised to 1 upon 2. Here, what is the power of a variable 1 upon 2? According to definition, it is not a whole number, it is a fraction. And so, fraction are not included in the whole number 0, 1, 2, positive number. So, it is a fraction, so it is also not a polynomial. It is also not, because 1 of is not a whole number. Whole number. Then third, x square plus 7x plus 9. In this example, what is the power of x? 2. What is the power of x? 1. Not 1 is not written here, so it is considered as a 1. Means 1, 2, there is no power, it is a constant term, so no need of a power of a given variable. Here is a 1, 2, means it is also included in a, according to definition of a polynomial, it will be included in the whole number 0 and positive number, so it is a polynomial. Then fourth one, homework. Fourth, 2m minus 2, 2m minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. What is the power of m? There is a minus 2. There is a no power, means 1. Means if we look at this term, what is the power of m? Minus 2. And negative, according to definition, only a whole number, 0 and positive numbers. Minus power is not included in the definition of a polynomial, so it is not a polynomial. So it is a not polynomial. Then fifth one, 0, 10. It is a constant. Any constant is always a polynomial. Any constant, positive, negative, or any. 0 is also a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. Because it is written in the form x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means 1. 1 gets multiplied to any number, then there will be no effect. So we will write this like this, 10 as a 10, x raised to 0. Power is the 0. It is according to definition of polynomial, it is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Then question number 2. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of the m cube in each of the given polynomial. Coefficient. Suppose this is term 8x raised to 3. What is the power here? Variable power is a 3. And what is it? It is get multiplied by 8. This in term 8 is called the coefficient. 8 is called the coefficient. Means any variable is multiplied by any number, then that number is called the coefficient. This will be a positive, negative or 0 also. So question number 2, first sub questions. M cube. M cube. What is the coefficient? M cube is get multiplied by nothing. If there will be no, then it will consider as a 1. It will get multiplied by 1. 3 is the power, but 1 is what? Coefficient. So coefficient is what? Coefficient is what? 1. Then second example, minus 3 by 2 plus m minus under root 3 m cube. In this question only the coefficient of a m cube is asked. Coefficient of a m cube. This is power. What is the coefficient? Root 3. But it is having a sign minus. So the coefficient of the m cube is minus what? Minus under root 3. Then third question. Minus 2 by 3 m cube. Minus 2 by 3 m cube. When I am writing the question, suddenly any teacher will give the answer or think it. What is the coefficient of the given variable of a given polynomial? We want here only the coefficient of the m cube. What is the coefficient? 3 is the power, but 2 minus 2 by 3 is get multiplied to the m cube. So the coefficient is minus 2 by 3. M square, that is not asked. Their coefficient is not asked. Only we are thinking about the m cube. Minus 2 by 3 is the coefficient. Then question number 3. Then question number 3. I will read. Write the polynomial in variable x using given information. What will be information given? We will write the polynomial using variable x. First, monomial with degree 7. Degree means what? Power. Degree means what? Power. What is the variable considered here? X. So power of x is what? 7. Power of x is what? 7. And we want monomial. We learn the types of polynomials according to their degree. Monomial contain only one term. Only one term. Means x raised to 7. Only one term here required. With that, you will take any coefficient or not. Suppose I have taken here the coefficient 3. It is also written 3x raised to, it is also answer, or 11x raised to 7, it is also answer. This question having a random answer as per your wish. Then second, binomial of a degree 35. Binomial of a degree 35. What is the degree? Degree means power. What is the power of a variable x? Is the highest power is a 35. So we will write here x raised to 35. But here we want a binomial. Means how many terms? In a monomial, one term contains binomial. In binomial, 2 terms are contained. Means below 35, we will write any power. Any power. Suppose I have taken here x raised to 9. X raised to 9 with coefficient. Suppose I have taken here the coefficient 2. How many terms contain here? 2 terms. X raised to 35 plus 2 x raised to 9. So it is a binary. This answer is also a random answer. Then third, trinomial of a degree. Trinomial of a degree what? 8. What is the highest power of x? It is a 8. It is a 8. But here we want a trinomial. Means how many terms? 3 terms. First we take the x raised to 8. If you want a coefficient here, write any coefficient. Suppose I taken here 4 as a coefficient. Then it is only one term. It is only monomial. We want a trinomial means 3 terms. So write the lowest power or descending power of x. Suppose I taken here 6. Coefficient is the 3 plus. Take any constant. Suppose I taken here 18. So we get the trinomial. 3 terms are here. The highest power is the 8. Then question number 4. I will read the statement. Question number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomial. Write the degree. We will write only a degree. Degree of a given polynomial. Sub question 1. Under root 5. What is the degree of a constant? This root 5 is the constant number. So degree of a constant is always a 0. So it will be 0 degree of a given polynomial. Then x raised to 0. What is the highest power of a variable? It is a 0. So degree of it is a 0. Then third one, x raised to 2. What is the highest power of a variable? 2. So degree is a. Then fourth one, under root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7. What is the highest power of a given variable? What is the variable here? M. What is the highest power? 10. So degree is the 10. Then fifth example, 2p minus under root 7. What is the degree? Here polynomial, here variable is a p. Then we know degree term it is considered as a 1. So degree of that is a 1. Then sixth one, 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. What is the highest power of a given variable y? 5. So degree is 5. Then 7. xyz plus xy minus z. This is the different example. Here there are 3 variables x, y, z. Here is a 2. There is only 1. If this condition occurs, then what we will do? What is the highest power? To find out it, first find out their powers. Here is no power means 1. Here y also having a power 1, z is also having 1, x is also having 1, y is also. When there are 2 or more than 2 variables, then what we will do here? We will add the powers of the given variable. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the sum? 3. Here is a 1 plus 1. What is the sum? 2. And it is only 1. From that, which is the highest degree? Which is the highest power? 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. This is some different example. Okay. Then sixth. M raised to 3, n raised to 7 minus 3m raised to 5 m plus mn. First we write the powers. There is a 3 and 7, 2 variables. We will make the sum of their powers. What is the sum? 10. There is the 2 variables. It is not having power, it is considered as a 1. 5 plus 1, it is a 6. And here is a 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. From this, which is the highest? 10. So degree is 10. So we solve that question. Then we will go to the question number 5. Question number 5. Classify the following polynomials as a linear, quadratic and cube. Linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, quadratic and cubic. Sub-question 1. Sub-question 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We already studied the types of a polynomial according to a degree and according to a power. So, in this polynomial, what is the degree of x? Power x is here is a 2. Here is a 1. What is the highest power? That is a 2. Means degree of this polynomial is what? 2. When the degree of a given polynomial is a 2. So it is called the quadratic. When the degree of a polynomial is a 2, then that polynomial is called the quadratic polynomial. Then second, 5p. 5p. What is that? Highest degree of this polynomial? There is no degree, means here is a 1. Here we write here 1. So the degree is the 1. When degree is 1, then that polynomial is called the linear polynomial. Then third one, under root 2 y minus 1 half. Correct. Yes, sir. Fourth question, sub question, m cube plus third one, root 2 y minus 1 half. Here the highest power is a 1, so it is also called a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Then fourth one, m cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2 m minus root 2. What is the highest power of a variable? Here is a 3, here is a 2, here is a 1. So highest power is what? 3. So degree of it is, degree of this polynomial is the 3. And when degree is a 3, then according to definition of a cubic polynomial, according to types of a polynomial, it is a cubic. So this polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Means on the basis of a degree, we are classifying this polynomial. When linear, there will be a degree 1, quadratic, it is having a degree 2, and cubic, it is having a degree 3. Then fifth example, a square. Variable is a, their power is the 2, so it is also quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Then sixth one, 3 r cube. What is the degree of a r? 3. So it is a cubic. When degree is a 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. So we solve all the examples in question number 5. Another 6 I will solve in the next video. Thank you.